wind noise and rain noise. Now we are going to clear this and make my voice crystal clear. Many AI applications and software can do this. Now we enable voice cancellation. Many modern mobile phones and recording devices use two microphones. It uses a process called phase cancellation. Now I use my computer and show what is phase cancellation. Now I am using a software called Cubase to explain how phase cancellation can remove noise. I have loaded recording of two microphones into my software. The green audio is from main microphone and the red audio is from the rear microphone. When you listen both of them, there will be loud background noise. Now I'm going to explain the physics of sound behind it. If I zoom, you can see the green and red audio looks identical. It means they are 90 degrees in phase. Now I will go to audio, process and choose phase reverse. Now you can see the green audio and red audio are not identical. The green audio waveform goes up, but in the red audio waveform goes down. It means they are 180 degrees out of phase. Let's listen to the magic. Hi friends and teachers. I have a competition in my Birla Brainiac School to submit a science video. Earlier I planned to make a physics video. Now it is heavy cyclone and power cut. Also I want to tell a moral thing with you that you can do during heavy rains. But please take help from your parents. Bye bye.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No.
During heavy rain, please give shelter to community animals like these small puppies. It will help them to stay protected and safe and spread love and peace.
My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest.